Yes.
That's what they say. They say mind your business, and I be listening.
I just wanna walk back, nigga, on his own.
Got another shot on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me.
What is going on, my boo? It is your girl StacieWo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do my new updated routine. I'm about to shoot. I need to push out some content, so I said let me just show you guys my new updated routine. Okay, we're going to be starting off with like moisturizing my face. So you know I do my routine, so I'm still moisturizing my face with the Dorian Renard. So I'm not really doing nothing different far as like moisturizing, keeping my skin clean. You dig? It's still the same thing, you know. Yeah, we just gonna moisturize my face. I kind of try to do my eyes real quick too, child. I'm gonna just jump into the first little foundation I see because I'm in a rush, but we're gonna be jumping into the Morphe. I haven't really been caring about my foundations. This is the Filter 30. I'm only gonna take one pump of this. I like, ooh, that was a little too much, but I kind of like this foundation because it really gives skin. Like, ooh, first I'm not even gonna do that. Real quick, we're gonna jump into primer. I'm gonna jump into the Rare Beauty Selena Gomez. Hey, boo. And we gonna put this on the face real quick, okay? Before we even jump in, child. Now we're gonna jump into foundation, and you just see how like that just goes into your skin like that. Like lately I do BB creams. I've definitely been in like a BB cream phase because lately I just been wanting to give skin, you feel what I'm saying? Unless you want to really be like beat, you don't really need a lot of foundation. So I kind of been on some like real chill with the foundation. I love this Morphe Rich 30 though. Like that joint is definitely my complexion at the end of the day. So lately what I've been doing for as concealer is, so we're going to be jumping into the NARS. This is the Biscuit. I lately been taking my light and just putting that on first. I don't know, this is just something that I just been lately doing, just taking the light and just putting it on first. Also not doing a lot of swipe, doing more tapping once I get like directly under my eye. Now I might swipe like right here just to kind of like get in that corner and like bring this down or whatever, and like tap under these dark circles. I'm a stickler about blending, honey. Like I've been noticing that when I put my light on first and then I put on my dark, it's just been giving me what it's supposed to be giving. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, you know what I mean? And I also just definitely been knowing like, you know, less is more. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna jump real quick into the Jouer. This is in the color Amber, and I usually just take Amber and I just slide Amber on top. Oh, I forgot to do my points over here. Gotta do my point, baby. But I just take Amber and I just lay it just like this over top. This has just been a new technique that I just been liking to do lately. Feeling the vibe, baby. I mean, your makeup is nothing if it's not blended right. So anything that can help me blend better or make my makeup look even more flawless, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get it. Next, we gonna jump into contour because I let that sit, and we're gonna be jumping into the Danessa Myricks. This has definitely been the vibe. This is actually the color Deep 2 as well. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and just shape my face up. Since I'm going out, I want a little structure, so if you want some structure, this is definitely gonna give it to you, okay? No kidding. What's been going on though, boo? How you been? I hope all is well. Ooh, you see that though? Ooh, that look good. That look good. That look good. You play, okay? And I don't know, but for some reason, I'm gonna real quick jump right into powder. I always just jump into my powder. This is actually the Fenty Beauty and the Cocoa Naughty. I'm gonna spray this really quick with the Luminous Morphe. Get this a little luminous finish. And then we blend this right in. I just like the way this blend. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, you see how that just blend in? I don't know if you see it, but... And let me tell you how I found this trick that I've been doing. So, I had put the light on first by accident. And I was like, oh my God, I done put this light on. It's gonna be a mess. And something was like, no, I just put that over top. And I laid it over top, and it just gave me this... It's just something about this blend that I'm just in love with. It's just... I just can't explain it. Yeah. Stop playing. again, you know? Or, so we're gonna let this sit a little bit and we're gonna prep for baking. I don't know about you, but baby, when I mix my baking powders, they be really on the hit, okay? So lately I've been mixing the Beauty Bakery and the caramel, and I'm also mixing the Hourglass, and this is in the color Vel. Bring this all up. And I noticed I used to bring it and put it over my eye. I don't do that anymore. It kind of like made it thin, and I kind of wanted more coverage under there, so I don't do that. I just blend it out. But I make sure I lift up, because child, these lines is serious, okay? And we go right in. We plays no games. I definitely can't wait to get a little powder puff. I gotta get one. Every time when I get one, they don't really be having the one I want. But I'm definitely gonna try a powder puff. I don't know, but for some reason, I love the way this Real Technique lays down my powder. It does give me a flawless finish. Like, no matter how much I put on, it bakes me. You know what I'm saying? It makes me feel, I like that baked feel. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm gonna bake real hard because we're gonna jump into these eyes real quick. I just wanna shape this. All right, so now we're gonna jump into eyes. So, of course, I'm gonna be jumping into the P. Louise. This is the Rumor 5 base. I got like every one in like skin tone and everything, because I really do feel like this is like the best base for lids, especially when you about to like put shadow on. It helps with blending. It's just really good, and it blends really, really good. So we gonna throw this on the eyes really, really quick. Oh yeah. So you know I'm playing. All right, so now we're gonna be jumping into eyeshadow. We're gonna be jumping into red in the Norvina palette. This is my broken palette, but these are one of my favorite palettes because you want it to really like pop on your eye and you want it to stick. And as you can see, I just hit that just a couple times and I know you see it. So that's the reason why like this Norvina palette is broken, but I love it so much. This is the C5 in the Norvina palette. Get you one of these. You better get you one of these. It definitely has really good eyeshadow, like no lie. But yeah, boo, what's been going on? What y'all been up to? I lately just been really chilling, really focusing on work. I have a spring collection coming up and I'm just really excited, and I'm just really focused on where God wants me to be. At the end of the day, you have to do what's best for you in order to be your better self. So that's just basically what I've been doing. We're gonna jump into the Be Perfect. I'm gonna jump into here. We're gonna jump into Chili Pepper and Blaze. I just been really like in my spiritual journey and focusing on me. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like this is naturally the season for doing everything that you're supposed to do, finding your purpose. If you feel what I'm saying? Like, I just haven't been really having time for anything else, you know. And I'm just very grateful for where I'm at right now. Being able to do something that I love to do. I feel like everybody, you know, attend to what's most important to them. And this year, I just feel like I'm just most important. Like, I'm the important one. I cannot find, oh, here it goes. Other than that, I've been doing good. But yeah, child, I just been minding the business that pays me. I think it's very important to mind your business. I mean,
That's what they say. They say mind your business, and I be listening.
it's nothing wrong taking time out and being focused and making sure you're doing everything you need to do for yourself. And if people feel a certain way, that's on them. That mean they wasn't your people anyway. Real quick, we're gonna jump into tan line, and I'm gonna just put that all over my eye. But yes, child. Ooh, this look good too. Ooh, look how that look. I love soft eyes like this. Like, is you getting it? Is you seeing it? It's just like so crazy that I really be like, yo, I really be like doing my own makeup. Like, thank you, Jesus. Because this is really Jesus right here, child. If it was up to me, I wouldn't have knew. And I used to didn't even know how to do eyebrows, child. It used to be so hard. Now I could do makeup, and I could do other people's makeup too. I don't really want to do other people's makeup. I just want to show people how to do their own makeup, because I know how it feels to like go certain places and you don't have time, or you really don't feel like going because you got so much to do. But now if you know how to do your own makeup, you can cut that at cost. You feel what I'm saying? I've always been in the business of helping people. I don't know what's up with these people nowadays, child. It's crab in the barrel nowadays. Crab in the barrel nowadays, baby. You know, you gotta just do what you gotta do. I'm just highlighting this with this Huda Beauty Obsession. This little shimmer right here. I love this shimmer. I just want to highlight it. And I'm gonna just take all this off my face. You know how like when you about to be done, you be like, all right, let me get this, let me do that, let me do this. Oh yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. But let me chill. Let me jump and do my contour really quick. I just think when you contour your nose, it just does something to your face. You can really change like the shape of your face. That's why I don't know why people be getting their face and stuff done. Just use makeup. I mean, I can understand like certain things, you know. I do want to get fillers like in my lines. I'm gonna get them. You not, I don't care. Baby, don't play with it. We're gonna jump into this Urban Decay. This is the Provision. I really like this mascara. I really like the way it pulls my lashes. But we got long lashes up in here. This thing really be pulling my lashes out. It really be showing off, like for real. Like stop playing. I just wanna take some of this black and put it under my eye just to close that up. Y'all won't catch me all over the place. When I get close to like doing my makeup, for some reason, I get like all over the place. I'm so ready for spring. I really like spring because it's like, if it's too cold, you can still do a little cute layer. It's like not too hot, not too cold. Like I kind of like that type of weather. I'm taking some of this P. Louise. This is the Blank Canvas. And then I like pull my lashes out. And my grandma used to do this. She said that makes the lash like clock up together and look like thick. I was like, all right, grandma, do your thing. Child, I put it on the wrong one. Y'all see what I was saying? So boo, I am back, child. My thing had died. I had threw on my bodysuit real quick. So we are going to be jumping into lips. So we're going to be jumping into the Trendsetter by Morphe. I'm gonna jump into the Dreamscape by Pat McGrath because I just want to chill lip. Real quick, because I don't know if you see it, but because I have like creases in my eyes, like sometimes it can like really crease real crazy. I just be having to do that sometimes, you feel what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna spray one more time. And just put this on my face just like that real quick. That's all I need, like that. I don't know, but this just never has not left my table. And I even got new highlight, but we won't be jumping into the Tiana Teller by MAC. Sometimes I just want to have like a nice subtle like highlight, so it's good. It's real good. And I don't know, but I always put some under my chin. I don't know, that's just something I do. All right, so now since we done, come get dressed with me. Alright boo, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing. So first I'm showing y'all I'm going to wear this bodysuit. I know y'all seen it. I have some pants on because I ain't want to show, you know, I ain't want to do too much. It's a thong bodysuit. I'm going to jump on my skirt. I wanted to show you guys how to like put it on. There we go. This is my skirt. It's actually my whole outfit from StacieWo.com, baby. Yes! It's like, no, but this is the vibe. And for shoes, I wanted to real quick put on these boots. They are Gucci. They are really cute. Then, like this. So we got a jacket as well. So I'm going to be jumping on that jacket. And it's right here. So yeah, let's slide this on. Yeah, you know, give it to him. And so earrings. I gotta find earrings. Oh, I got some.
You can't never go wrong without a hoop, baby.
All right, so I'm gonna put my hoops on.
All right, let's keep it moving.
All right, so next, my StacieWo bag. You know, can't do without it. You know. I want to play glasses. These are no brand. You know, I don't wear no brand but my brand. I'm into that. You know, I like the Gucci boots. Don't get me wrong, but I'm real into, you know, wearing my own brand. That's just the vibe. So.
I just want to walk back, nigga, on the gun. Takes one to know one, baby. You know, this munchie won't have you feel it a certain way. You know. Oh, somebody just always hating. I can never be great. Hold on.
Those who get it, those who don't. Oh, perfume, what I'm spraying while I'm out, while I'm spraying while I'm about to go get this check. We on Versace Crystal Neon, that's the vibe. Ooh, you only need one of these. Get a little between the legs, and that's it. That's all you need. It goes all the way down the body. It's like, no, I'm playing too much.
And we out. Ain't no outro.
Keep it quiet, keep it on, ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But